Hi, if you are planning a trip to a foreign country, you will need to know about the travel adapters. In this video, I'll explain you about what a travel adapter is, why it's important and how to choose the right one.
Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video.
This is how the product packaging looks like. A travel adapter is an accessory that allows you to plug your electronic devices into different types of electrical outlets around the world. Electrical outlets vary in shape and size from country to country, and a travel adapter ensures that your device will be compatible with a local electrical system. So you can see even they have provided the manual on usage guidelines with this product. Why choosing a travel adapter is very important, because if you choose a wrong type of plug or a voltage can damage your device or even cause a fire. Because in some countries the electrical current can be higher or lower than what you are used to, which can also damage your device. So you can see in the list here, so these are the list of countries that this particular adapter is compatible. First thing is you need to make sure your device is compatible with the countries you will be visiting. Mainly there are 4 types of plugs like type A, type B, type C and type D. Lastly, consider the voltage of your devices, because some countries have a different voltage system, so you may need a voltage converter in addition to a travel adapter. Check the voltage requirements of a device before you travel. Now let me show you how the product which I have bought via online looks like. So this product I bought it from Amazon. I will also share the link of this particular product in the description of my video. The pins that you are seeing here now, the 3-pin selection, this is for the country UK. I have just selected here just to show you. And let me also show you with other countries selection. Now let me try to move the selection to Europe. So to change the selection to Europe, you just need to press the black button that you see on the adapter now. Now when we are back at the selection mode, just press the black button that you are able to see under the Europe. So if you press that, a 2-pin switch gets opened at the bottom that you're able to see now. This is for Europe region selection. Now in case if you want to have another country selection, you just need to close this 2-pin switch and then you need to go back to the selection mode and then just slide the black button that you will see. Now let me try to move this towards USA region. So that's how you are able to see the 2 pins that are coming out at the right end here. So this is how for the USA region or the Australia region, this is how it looks like. And let me show you one more thing here. You can also bend these pins so that it could also fit across the respective regions. So you could also align these pins in this way. Now let me move back these pins and let me show you other feature of this travel adapter on the other side. This is what this travel adapter has got. It has got 2 USB ports here, wherein once you have connected to the AC, you can also connect your DC devices via the USB. So if you read up here, there is a caution: AC to AC, no voltage conversion and no grounding, and USB is only for charging only, which is specifically for indoor use only. Also ensure the current rating, which is maximum of 6 amperes to 50 volt AC. Let me show you other end of this travel adapter. This is where you will see the 3-pin switch, where you can also have 3-pin connected or also 2-pin connected, where it has an indication of LED as well. Stay tuned until the end of this video. I will also show you by connecting this travel adapter. Now I will be connecting with the 2-pin switch to my Indian switch here. So that is what you will see, the LED indication indicating that the power is on. In summary, a travel adapter is an essential accessory for anyone traveling abroad with electronic devices. I hope this video was helpful to you. With the right travel adapter, you can stay connected and powered up on your next adventure. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you. Bye-bye.